Hi friends, today I am going to share some simple homemade remedies that give babies and toddlers fast relief from cold, cough and congestion. Ajwain water from 6 months. Boil some water with ajwain and make your baby to sip the water. Mustard oil and garlic. Heat mustard oil with a few garlic cloves till it becomes crisp and turns to brown. Remove from heat. Rub this gently on the chest, back, throat and foot. It will keep her warm and help fight cold. Herbal Decoction from 7 months. This is my grandma's recipe. It cure cough and cold. It also cure digestion problem. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 8 to 10 Tulsi leaves, 1 cloves, a pinch of turmeric, 5 black pepper, 1 by 3 cup of palm jaggery, 1 by 4 cup of water. Mix all the ingredients in a pan, boil them for 10 minutes in low heat, then strain the liquid, let it cool, give warm. From 6 months to 1 year, give 1 teaspoon morning after food for 3 days. From 1 to 5 years, 1 tablespoon after food, morning and night for 3 days. Ajwain potli. Roast 2 tablespoons of ajwain until the smell emanates. Transfer the roasted ajwain to a clean cloth, make a tight pouch. Apply this potli on your child's chest as hot pot. Do make sure it is not very hot. First test on your palm, then apply to your baby. Tulsi and milk from 1 year. Instead of giving plain milk, add some basil leaves while boiling milk. Basil has many healing properties and will enhance immunity. Honey from 1 year. If your toddler is suffering from a cold that is accompanied by cough, giving some honey can help. You can give 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Ginger and honey tea from 1 year. Bring water to boil, then add some crushed ginger, remove from heat and close the lid. Let them cool. Before offer this water, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation will work to loosen congestion and get the mucus out early. Head up. Elevate the level of baby's and toddler's head while resting, as this will ease breathing. Jeera water from 6 months. Boil 2 glasses of water with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds for 5 minutes in low heat. Then remove from heat, strain the liquid. For 6 to 1 year baby, you can give 1 to 2 tablespoons anytime. Above 1 year, you can offer this water instead of plain water. Eucalyptus oil. Use eucalyptus oil to relieve congestion by adding a few drops of the oil to hot water while inhaling. As well, you can rub this oil to baby, toddlers. It gives good relief to kids. Saline drops and bulb syringe. Saline drops helps to loosen the mucus. Nasal aspirator can efficiently remove mucus from baby's nose. Camphor oil. Heat coconut oil, then remove it from heat. Add in crushed camphor and Mix well. After few minutes all camphor will dissolve with oil. Let them cool. You can store this oil in tight bottle. Rub camphor oil gently on chest, back, throat and back of the ear. It helps to reduce cold and it keeps your baby warm. It works like magic. Thanks for watching. Hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Chubby Cheeks. Thank you.